and this haul is going to be kind of a crafting sort of haul anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And the first thing that I got is this little mason jar sign. It says Hello Summer. And they had these last year. But I went ahead and grabbed me another one because I think I've packed those away and I have no idea where they're at. But I went ahead and grabbed this one. But I think it's cute just like it is. Or you could turn it over and paint something on the back of it yourself, or just do whatever you wanted to. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with this just yet. But I don't know. I just got it and I'm going to see if I can't figure something out. Let's see here. The next sign that I got is this. It says Hello Summer, and it's a little watermelon slice. It does have a little jute cord here, but it kind of came undone. But this would be cute in like a summertime wreath, like a watermelon theme wreath. I think this would be really cute. So anyway, I grabbed that. The next sign that I picked up is also a summertime themed wreath, or summertime themed sign. It's a little flip-flop, and it says Island Time, and it has flamingos on there. And I think this is really cute if you're doing, if you could just hang this like it is. It's cute. I got mine because I may be making a wreath with this. I'm not real sure just yet, but this would be cute if you had if you wanted to make like a flamingo themed wreath or something like that. I think this would be cute on there. Or you could do the same thing like the mason jar, just turn it over and paint something else on there if you want. So anyway, I grabbed that. The next thing that I got is this. It's by Crafter Square, and it's the artist canvas, and it's 8 by 10. And I got this because I'm going to be making a bumblebee themed wreath, and I have not been able to find a sign that I like. So I thought maybe I might try to either paint my own, or maybe find a picture or something on the internet that I could print off and maybe Mod Podge it on to this. I'm not real sure just yet, but anyway, I grabbed it just to see. I don't know exactly how it's going to work, but I'm going to try. The next thing I got to go along with the bumblebee themed wreath, I know it sounds weird, but I got these Easter eggs. There's 6 in here. And really I'm not sure if these are going to work either, but what I was wanting was a little bit bigger of Easter eggs, so a little bit bigger ones, but they didn't have any. This was the biggest that they had. But what I planned on doing was, for my bumblebee themed wreath, I was going to take the top half of the egg off and then wrap it with some of the nautical rope from the Dollar Tree and kind of make it into like a beehive. But I'm not sure if that's going to work or not, but I'm going to try it. We'll have to see. And I probably will do a video on that wreath, me making that wreath. Making wreath videos is very hard. It's very hard for me anyway, because I'm long-winded. I like to talk. I like to go into lots of detail, which ends up making the video 500 hours long. And so anyway, I'm going to try and do a video on that and shorten it as much as I can. But anyway, we'll see how that goes. The next thing that I purchased is these seashells. And I got one bag of the smaller shells and then one bag of the larger ones. And I got these because I'm also going to be making another summertime themed wreath, but it's going to be a mermaid theme. And I thought seashells would look really cute in the wreath. So I got a bag of each different size. So anyway, we'll see how that turns out. I also picked up a bottle of the Mod Podge. This is the 2 fluid ounces. And I did have a big giant bottle of this, and I don't know what happened to it. So I just went ahead and grabbed this just in case. in case I do decide to Mod Podge a printout or something onto that canvas to make my sign for my wreath. I don't know. I don't know just yet. And then this was pretty exciting. This is the last items. I've never seen this before, and I was excited when I seen it. And so anyway, it's called Do It Yourself Candle Making Set. And they had 3 different ones, so I grabbed one of each. And I think this is awesome. I was just amazed to see this, but this one is in this, and I'm not sure if it's all 3 of these scents or not, but it says lavender, magnolia, and Asian lily. But it does have like a picture there on the back to show you. I guess that's what the candle is supposed to look like when you're done with it. I don't know. But I thought it was really interesting, and I thought it would be fun to try. And since I'm, in quarantine anyway, it gave me something to do so I'm not bored. So I grabbed that one, and I also grabbed this one. It says apple cinnamon, magnolia, apricot, citrus. And like I said, I'm not sure if all those different scents are in there or if it's just one in particular. I don't know. But anyway, I grabbed that one. And then the last one I got says blueberry, magnolia, and sea spray melon. So I'm excited to try these. And I figure what I'm going to do is probably a video on me making this to see how easy it is, or see if it works, just to see how it turns out. So whenever you're able to get to your Dollar Tree, and if you like doing like do-it-yourself kind of things, maybe try to look for this and see if you can do it. I don't know. I'm excited to try it. So anyway, that is the end of my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you want to know when I upload a video, just click the little bell icon. If you like Dollar Tree hauls and you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope that you all are having a wonderful week. I hope that you all are staying safe. And I just wanted to thank you all for watching. Bye.